Good. Episode 62, The Storm. 아저씨가 며칠날 비스 일어나는 뜻이 일어나 이놈의 뜻 알고 같은 게 를 때였는데 What's that noise? Noise. Yes, there's the storm. So lucky day. Lucky? Storm? Yes, that's right. I was thinking where I was trying to hide the place. I'm high too. That's a virus. Don't talk out. Messi, where is the ship? I don't know. Coco, over there. I think I see the sheep. The sheep is too far now to be very much. Don't you see for Coco? And they are a magic marker. Maxi, the sheep is too fast. I will shut up. I put the engine on the boat. Faster, Maxi, faster! Ooh, what an adventure! This is the I don't know, it's screaming all day.